crazy and so freaking smart.
Has he said thank you to you yet?
No, she heard him say it to me though.
Oh. He's got.
He won't say it to my mom because he can't say grandma yet. So I don't know if he'll say it for you.
You can't do that. You don't know how to slide down that big slide. Do you?
Like if he can't say your name, he won't say thank you.
Gotcha.
I need that now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Wee! Oh! Woohoo! Ooh, that's breathtaking.
Again! He's just again freaking perfect. He's so fun right now.
That's a breathtaking.
That it's starting to get nice out.
Take your breath away going that fast down that slide. Okay.
We're ready.
Go!
Woo!
Good job. Again.
She just ran between his legs.
I saw that.
That was crazy. She always does that though. She tried to do it to Willow. She gets scared.
Okie dokie.
She's so cute.
I'm watching. Okie dokie.
Even Papa says she's
Here comes a kitty. Ready, go. Yay!
This one that we have now, this one we have now isn't a bugger cat.
Yeah.
Dad really likes her.
She's only bugs you when you try to sleep.
My parents'
And then
cat,
she's not
Risa.
bad because she'll just end up falling asleep too, but she just wants to be by your face.
My parents' cat, Risa, was never a buggy cat. She always just leave me alone, let me do my thing. Well, now in her old age,
You waiting for the go sign?
needy and
Go.
like especially now with millions. My mom thinks she misses all
Woohoo!
that activity.
Woohoo! I almost didn't get that. You were going so fast.
My mom this week with the kids.
Man, you're moving.
The cat was like super excited to see everybody, which was weird. And then as soon as we all left, she was like right on my mom.
So he gets to see what water slides are
Where'd all
like.
the people go?
Yeah.
She even was excited to see.
Ready, set, go. Yay!
Landed on his feet. Good job. Good job, Eric.
Oh,
So much work.
sound like me getting out of bed.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Woohoo!
Oh.
Here he comes. Ready, set, go. We could do this all day. I gotta have a little bub. It'll hit off the old horn. Oh, gonna take the bub down the slide with him. Ready, set, go.
Drink water, but he mostly will only drink water if I put it in like a water bottle. Like he won't drink water out of a sippy cup. But if I have my water bottle, he wants to drink out of it.
Milk is better.
But he went through a phase where he really liked juice. So he was drinking like watered down juice between his nap time bouts and stuff. But he's over that now. I asked him, do you want water, milk, juice? Signs. It's always milk.
Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. There he goes. Set the drink down. Ready, set, go.
Good job, buddy.
Yay! We need a great big slide. Right? 20 feet high. It's too windy to fly now. Whee!